So let's see if we can call them up. Woo! Why they're so aggravated? Okay, so we got the wire rolled up and taken care of. We're gonna move these goats now to a new section of pasture. So let's see if we can call them up. See how it works out, see if they enjoy moving over. Woo! Come on, goat! Come on, goat! Woo! Come on, goat! Woo, goat! I hope you can see the actual difference in this size of grass here. Hopefully you can tell that there is a nice difference in the grass height. Here they come. Come on, goat! Woo! Come on, goat! They're already loving it. Loving this new grass. Just listen. Come on, goat! Get through that line the fence was on and heads down and grazing. We'll go down in a minute and close the gates off to the last pastures. All these little babies are growing really nice. Well guys, it's Monday afternoon. Today was the day we needed to move the goats over. We'll add some more video as the week goes on. I just love to watch these goats graze in the new pasture like this. The other one had kind of gotten eat down pretty good and needed to be moved over. So that's what we done. Got everybody moved over, a little bit of calling, and they come right up. I'll say if you're doing goats and sheep, if you'll start out bucket feeding them a little bit, I know you don't like to feed a lot of grain, but if you get them used to your voice and the same call all the time, it makes it easy to move them. They were way in the other pasture. All I had to do was give them a call and they came. It's kind of neat to watch them come across the bridge in single file line after you give a big yell for them. Tomorrow there'll be something new on the chores and we'll add that to today and we'll get you another video for the week. This is our little farm and we love it. So today's Monday. Let's see what Tuesday brings. Hey guys, this is Jamie. Our afternoon didn't end so well. I got to missing one of my goats and I found her. She was about 14 years old. And I wanted her to live out her life here on the farm, but I didn't expect it to be today that I found her. She was slowing down a lot. Anyhow, it's kind of a solemn day here. She's one of the original 3 goats that I started with. I'll try to post you a picture of those of the day I brought them home. But anyhow, but she's gone. I told you I'd try to be forthcoming with everything, and this is kind of a sucky part of farming, especially when you get attached to some of the animals that you've had for a long time. I just hate to lose her. All right, guys, that's part of farming that's not fun, but I wanted to bring you along and just let you know how the afternoon ended up. We'll see you tomorrow, and we'll move on from there. Have a good evening. Can anybody tell what their problem is? Can you tell why they're so aggravated? What's their deal? They're hungry. Their feeder run out today. I had feed in it yesterday, but we gotta get some feed and get them fed. All right, let's go get the tractor, come back and get the buckhorn box, fill it up with some feed them guys, and we'll get a new delivery tomorrow. Ireland, you're a silly dog. All right, so let's get the tractor started. We'll go get the buckhorn box. We'll come back and get that bag of feed and what's left in it and fill up our tote. Take some down to the pigs. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll give them pigs down there about half of this, and that way I'll have, in case, you know, something happens with delivery, I'll be able to feed my sow group as well. So there's probably 500-600 pounds in here. We'll give them a couple hundred pounds, leave a couple hundred pounds in here, and we'll finish feeding tomorrow. They sure have quietened down. A hungry pig is a noisy pig. Keep their bellies full, they're usually pretty quiet. Won't cause any trouble. They were hungry. Their feeder had ran out sometime during the day. So let's see how much we got left in this buckhorn here for tomorrow, just in case. Oh gosh, yeah. I didn't do too bad. Probably put a couple hundred pounds in there. There's 200 or 300 pounds left in here. So that's good, worked out well. They'll have plenty for tonight and probably tomorrow as well. So now that we got all the pigs straightened out, everybody fed, quieting down and feeling good, let's go up to the bee yard. I got a friend coming over tonight picking up a couple of nukes. Let's go get them ready to go. Well, we're going to check a couple of nukes, make sure they're ready to go for my friend that's coming to pick up a couple. I work with him, so the plan is just to leave a couple in the actual wooden nuke boxes, and then we'll let him just take those with him. He can bring the boxes back to work tomorrow or next day, just whenever's convenient for him. I think that'll be the easiest thing, and it'll save me money from buying a box. Those cardboard nuke boxes are they're a little over $10 put together if you're buying them one at a time, and they're $9, 8 something, $8.57 I think, if I put them together myself. So let's go in here and look at these couple that I've got kind of picked out, and we'll go from there, see what we can figure out. All right, we got those two loaded up. Okay, well, we got the two nukes ready to go. Our buddy's on the way to pick them up, and he'll be here just in a few minutes. Again, today has just been a day full of chores. Yesterday, moved the goats over to a new pasture. Today we had to do some feeding and some rearranging with feed for the pigs, and then get a couple of nukes ready. Made a little money today, got everything fed. I love doing it, or I wouldn't keep doing it. I hope you enjoy watching it. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, like these videos, it sure does help us out when you do that. As always, we'll do it all again tomorrow, and we'll bring you along with us.